15 ways AIs can help you expand your wealth. Do you know Jasper, as in the AI tool? Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, has a history longer than your grandma's tales of walking uphill to school both ways. But unlike grandma's tales, AI is not about the struggle. It's all about enhancing our daily lives. From robots welcoming you at the shopping mall to search engines that predict your every move, well, almost, AI is everywhere, and we're diving deep into it today here at Stealth Wealth Society, where we share insights on how to master the art of building wealth in stealth mode. Now, if you're new to our channel, welcome aboard the Wealth Building Express. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We promise to keep you updated with the latest and greatest tips and tricks. Today's topic: how to grow your riches by tapping into the world of cutting-edge tech, also known as artificial intelligence. AI, in a nutshell, is like giving your computer a caffeine injection for brain power. It's about teaching machines to think, adapt, and basically become your digital sidekick. Anything that involves a computer doing stuff that usually requires human smarts falls under the AI umbrella. These advancements aren't just about making our lives more convenient, although that's a big part of it. They're about making everything from industries to daily tasks smarter, faster, and better. Predictions are more accurate, processes are slicker, and technology is at your fingertips. Now, you might wonder, how can AI help me turn my piggy bank into a cash fountain? Well, hold on to your digital hats, because here are 15 delightful ways AI can supercharge your wealth-building journey. 1. Trading and investment. AI-powered algorithms have the capability to meticulously examine financial data, discern intricate patterns, and execute instantaneous trading strategies, aiming to optimize profits and curtail potential risks across various investment channels, including the dynamic stock market. This technological advancement revolutionizes decision-making processes in the financial realm. 2. Artificial creativity. Artificial intelligence possesses the capability to produce imaginative and original content, spanning various forms like music, visual arts, and literary works. These creative outputs can then be transformed into revenue streams through avenues such as online platforms, licensing agreements, or direct sales to consumers and enthusiasts. 3. Text generation and manipulation. With its sophisticated natural language processing capabilities, AI has the potential to revolutionize content-related tasks. It can efficiently automate content generation, copywriting, and translation, offering a significant advantage by reducing both time and resource expenditures for enterprises and creative professionals alike. 4. Recommendation systems. AI-powered recommendation systems leverage user preferences and behaviors to enhance sales and revenue. These systems employ advanced algorithms to suggest tailored products, services, or content, thereby fostering user engagement and satisfaction while driving higher conversion rates and overall business success. 5. Gaming. Within the gaming industry, artificial intelligence has the potential to elevate player engagement by offering immersive simulations, cleverly designed non-player characters, NPCs, and tailor-made content. This augmentation in player involvement and the possibility of boosting in-game transactions underlines AI's significance in gaming. In recent years, the gaming industry has witnessed remarkable growth, resulting in the emergence of millionaire gamers. At Stealth Wealth Society, we're dedicated to enhancing your path to wealth within the dynamic AI gaming sector. Recognizing your ambition for early success, we pledge to offer exclusive financial management insights. Stay informed about the latest financial trends and gain access to invaluable resources by subscribing to our channel. As an added bonus, by clicking the link in the description, you'll also receive a complimentary copy of our personal finance ebook, equipping you for prosperous financial journeys even in the AI gaming realm. 6. Manufacturing. Leveraging AI-driven automation and robotics within manufacturing operations holds the potential to revolutionize the industry. By seamlessly integrating these technologies, manufacturers can achieve significant cost savings while simultaneously enhancing overall productivity, thereby driving efficiency and competitiveness to new heights. 7. Healthcare. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the healthcare and pharmaceutical industries by assisting in medical diagnosis, accelerating drug discovery processes, and tailoring personalized treatment strategies. This transformative technology holds promise for driving significant advancements and innovations in both fields, ultimately benefiting patients worldwide. 8. Conversational AIs. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants play a pivotal role in enhancing business operations by delivering streamlined customer support, sales guidance, and automating repetitive chores. This technological advancement not only boosts overall business efficiency, but also elevates customer contentment by ensuring prompt and effective interactions. 9. Robotics. Artificial intelligence-powered robots are revolutionizing industries such as logistics, agriculture, and construction by efficiently executing diverse tasks. This technological advancement not only results in substantial cost reductions, but also significantly enhances overall productivity within these sectors. 10. Autonomous vehicles. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in the advancement of autonomous vehicles, encompassing self-driving cars and trucks. These innovations stand poised to transform the landscape of transportation and logistics, offering promising avenues for investment within this burgeoning sector, poised to reshape the future of mobility and commerce. 11. Facial recognition. AI-driven facial recognition technology offers versatile applications across security, payment systems, and access management. These multifaceted uses opened up promising avenues for businesses to explore, potentially generating fresh revenue streams and innovative opportunities for growth within various industries. 12. IoT devices. Artificial intelligence has the potential to enhance the capabilities of IoT devices, allowing them to process data, make informed choices, and facilitate more efficient communication. An IoT device stands for Internet of Things device. It refers to a physical object or device that is connected to the Internet and capable of collecting and exchanging data with other devices or systems. IoT devices can range from simple sensors and smart thermostats to complex machinery in industries like manufacturing and healthcare. They are an integral part of the growing network of interconnected devices that enable automation, remote monitoring, and data-driven decision-making in various applications. This synergy has the power to usher in groundbreaking advancements in products and services within the Internet of Things ecosystem. The act of knowledge sharing possesses the remarkable capacity to revolutionize various facets of our lives, most notably our financial prosperity. Embracing this transformative concept, Stealth Wealth Society profoundly offers an array of finely curated financial management courses. These courses serve as potent tools, granting you the means to conveniently achieve financial stability through the very IoT devices that have become integral to our daily lives. Furthermore, our comprehensive personal finance course goes beyond mere education. It charts a discrete path to wealth accumulation. Seamlessly synchronized with your IoT devices, this course ensures effortless learning, thereby facilitating your journey toward financial growth and independence. Also, by simply clicking the link provided in the description, you can access a complimentary copy of our invaluable personal finance ebook. 13. Legal automation. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in the legal sector by enhancing legal research, contract analysis, and document review processes. This not only leads to substantial cost reductions, but also significantly enhances operational efficiency within the legal industry, making it a transformative tool for legal professionals. 14. Cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in safeguarding both businesses and individuals against cyber threats. Its ability to swiftly identify and counter security breaches not only mitigates potential financial losses, but also safeguards reputations, making it an indispensable asset in the modern digital landscape. 15. Space exploration. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in advancing space exploration by enabling autonomous spacecraft control, processing extensive datasets, and aiding in navigating and exploration tasks. These capabilities hold immense promise for revolutionizing the space industry, paving the way for unprecedented opportunities and discoveries in the cosmos. In each of these domains, distinct prospects exist for individuals and businesses to harness AI technologies for wealth augmentation. However, it's crucial to assess associated risks and ethical considerations while also staying abreast of the rapidly evolving AI landscape to make informed investment and business choices. Do you have any memorable moments when AI swooped in to rescue you from the daily grind or turbocharged your wealth-building endeavors? We'd love to hear your tales of AI triumph. Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Our fellow stealthies are eagerly awaiting your wisdom to replicate your success stories.